Hey everyone, welcome back to another episode of Vic's Garage. As you can tell, we got some more parts, and this one's a big one. So if you guys don't remember, a while back I had an episode about ordering some stuff from Eastwood, and there were some issues, and they took care of me. They offered some free shipping and a discount on my next order. So I've been waiting almost a year to take advantage of that. I've been waiting for the quarter panels to come back in stock, and AMD's quarter panels are finally in stock. I just picked them up this morning. I had to drive across the border to grab them because they wouldn't ship them up to Canada because of the freight. So we're gonna open this up now and inspect them, make sure it's good, and take a good look at some 271 charger quarter panels. So let's start getting this packaging off, take a look at these. So generally AMD wants you to inspect your packages before accepting them, but I obviously had to get them shipped to a middle person, a storage place, because obviously I couldn't be there to accept it. So happily when I got there though, the packaging looked perfect. So fingers crossed that everything's good in here. Okay, so we can see the two quarter panels here. First impressions, AMD, great job on the packing. Like I said, I had to drive an hour and a half, 2 hours across the border, pick these up and then drive them back, and your packaging looked like it held up, including the freight and everything. So we'll just get these opened up now, give them a good inspection, and hopefully everything's good. Okay, here we are. Got them both out. Take a quick look. Everything looks good. Excuse the shadows. It's a sunny day. Nice looking pieces. I mean, like I've said so far, I haven't had any bad experiences with other manufacturers of parts. I've used everything on this car from Dynacore to Goodmark, but this is kind of what you expect from AMD quality. You pay the premium for it. So yeah, not ready for these yet, but we'll find a spot to store them for now. But now I have the last little bit of metal I need for the car. All right, everyone. So that's the AMD quarters. Thankfully, they held up in shipping there. AMD, great job packaging your product. I don't know what I would have had to do if those quarters were damaged after having to get them back up home and inspecting them here. I couldn't inspect them because obviously I have to get them drop shipped to someone over on the other side of the border in the United States because they wouldn't ship them up to Canada because of the freight. So that would have been a mess. So thankfully, you guys pack your stuff well, and I was able to basically get it right back in the box so it's protected until I can get to it. In regards to the car, a lot of stuff's happened. I've probably missed a video or two. So what I'm gonna do is a quick walk around video for you guys. We're just gonna go over all the stuff that's been done, get you kind of caught up on the project, and that way everyone knows where we're at on this one. I also wanna say thank you to Eastwood. You guys held up your bargain. You gave the discount and the free shipping for that little mishap earlier. So you guys probably weren't anticipating a guy like me waiting so long to take advantage of it, but you held up. So that's it for this one, guys. If you like it, as always, like and subscribe, follow the build, check out the history videos, and I'll see you at the next one. Take it easy.